Hey, what's going on, guys? So moving swiftly onwards, we are now going to be taking a look at how to create speed ramp transitions, which are quite self-explanatory. I would have thought so, but if not, I'll give this a play and you should understand. Yep, that right there is essentially a speed ramp transition where there is two kind of regular speed clips, but we just do a transition and a speed ramp at the end of one of them and at the beginning of the other to create the illusion that they kind of speed and fly into each other. See, the kind of science behind it is that we want to create the clips to be moving so fast at the center point that the audience doesn't register that the clip has changed, hence looking like these clips kind of fly into each other and speed into each other. Now, we are actually going to be working through this just while you guys watch me, and then we're going to be doing a exercise in the following section of this, or the following lecture right after this one, where I'm going to provide clips for you guys to download, and we're going to work through creating our very own speed ramp. But quickly, let me just go ahead and crack on with a basic demonstration of how we're actually going to be doing this speed ramp tutorial. And that is the final product right there. It flies into the next clip. So it is this original clip of a smoky room, and then it flies into this next clip right here. So how would we start this? We would actually start it the exact same way we'd be creating our speed ramp before, and that would be to go to the FX little box right here, go ahead and give it a right click, go to time remapping, and click speed. What I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and put a right click right here, or a click right there actually, and just go ahead and zoom in so I can actually drag our original dial out a little bit. And actually just go ahead and adjust these guys so we have a nice little line here, and just go ahead and drag that up. And I'm going to bring that up to about 300%. 300 is a nice increase, and that will definitely show a lot of movement. And then we could actually proceed to drag that along to connect that. Go ahead and click these little dials right here. Again, adjust that so we have a nice gradual increase, and it is looking all right on one side so far. So that right there could be our original speed ramp to actually transition in, and we could have a play on this one right here. It looks like I need to pull that out a little bit more, and actually just bring that along a little bit. And let's just go ahead and give this a play right now. Okay, so that is looking nice already. And then we would obviously click another marker right here, aka a dial. Go ahead and pull these dials out. And again, just repeat that same process we just did by adjusting the speed on the left-hand side to be that of the other clip. So for example, we would want to bring that all the way up to 300%. Just go ahead and let that rest on 300%. Drag it out so we kind of mimic the shape of this particular speed ramp right here. So we'd obviously want to adjust this dial right here to make it more of a gradual increase. Then we would want to drag these guys along a little bit and kind of let these two lines meet in the middle. You see? So it would be a nice fade between these two clips, and that right there honestly could be it. So if we give this a play right now, and we can have a look what we're dealing with. Very, very nice. Okay. So I believe that might have been a blurrier part of the clip, though. I'm not going to lie. Hold on. Let's give this a play. Very nice, except I think I've chosen the wrong part of the clip. I think it's this part of the clip that I wanted it to come in on. So actually what I could do, just go ahead and come back over here. Just go ahead and redo this, actually, because I'm pretty sure I chose the wrong part of the clip. Again, just go ahead and drag this up right here to 300%. Then let's just go ahead and drag these guys on along a bit, and just go ahead and adjust this gradual increase. Bring that along, and let's have a look what this is saying right now. If we give this a play, and there we go, right there. That was actually kind of a bit of a guess that I messed that section up, so I just switched it around pretty quick, but that still worked out. If we give this a play, and in fact, if I just go ahead and set an in point and then an out point right here, we can actually go ahead and go to sequence, render in and out, and actually have a look what this particular sequence right here, aka this speed ramp transition, is looking like. Very, very nice. As you can see, the whole science behind it, like I said in the beginning, is to create a rapid speed motion so that the viewer actually kind of can't keep track of what's going on, and it just looks like, for example, you focus on the blue light and the smoke here, and then it enters here, and there's a blue light there, and a DJ, and it just all goes so fast that it looks like these clips fly into each other and have a very nice motion about them via this speed ramp transition, which is an amazing method for creating a seamlessness and a blend between kind of clips, and not only just a blend, but also to create a much more nice transition rather than, for example, a default transition.